Ginger is a ubiquitous spice in kitchens worldwide, boasting a rich history dating back to millennia. Revered for its distinct aroma and pungent taste, ginger is more than just a culinary delight. From soothing nausea to combating inflammation, ginger's health benefits are truly remarkable. We are excited to jump into the fascinating world of ginger, exploring its incredible potential to enhance your well-being. Originating in Southeast Asia, ginger has journeyed across continents, becoming an integral part of diverse cuisines and healing traditions. Its versatility knows no bounds, finding its way into savory dishes, sweet treats, beverages, and natural remedies. Nausea, an unpleasant sensation of unease and discomfort in the stomach, can stem from various factors, including motion sickness, pregnancy, and even chemotherapy. Ginger has emerged as a safe and effective natural remedy for combating nausea, offering relief to countless individuals. Research suggests that ginger's active compounds work their magic by interacting with the digestive system and the brain, effectively reducing nausea and the urge to vomit. For those prone to motion sickness during travel, it can be a lifesaver. Whether taking a road trip, cruising the seas, or soaring through the air, incorporating ginger into your pre-travel routine can significantly alleviate motion sickness symptoms. Similarly, it offers solace to expectant mothers grappling with morning sickness, a common occurrence during the first trimester of pregnancy. A cup of ginger tea or a few ginger chews can work wonders in calming the stomach and easing nausea. Beyond its remarkable anti-nausea properties, ginger has long been celebrated for its ability to promote digestive health. It acts as a carminative, meaning it helps to relax the digestive muscles and reduce gas and bloating. This makes it an invaluable ally for individuals prone to indigestion, flatulence, and other digestive discomforts. Furthermore, it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, crucial for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients effectively. By enhancing digestive efficiency, ginger can alleviate symptoms of indigestion, such as heartburn, abdominal pain, and a feeling of fullness. Incorporating it into your daily diet can significantly improve digestive comfort and promote overall gut health. Ginger, a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation lies at the root of many modern ailments, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Ginger, with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, has emerged as a promising natural weapon in the fight against inflammation. Gingerols, the bioactive compounds in ginger, work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, effectively reducing inflammation and pain. Studies have shown that it can be particularly beneficial for individuals with osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease characterized by pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Regular consumption of ginger, whether in food or supplement form, has been linked to a reduction in joint pain and improved mobility. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects extend beyond joint health, showing promise in mitigating the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Exploring the versatile forms of ginger. This wonder root can be enjoyed in numerous forms, each offering unique benefits. Fresh ginger adds a zesty kick to stir-fries, soups, and curries. Ginger tea is soothing and aromatic. Ginger supplements are available in capsules, tablets, and extracts. Ginger candy provides a tasty, portable way to enjoy its benefits. Ginger's versatility ensures there's a perfect way to incorporate it into your lifestyle. From its humble origins in Southeast Asia, ginger has traversed cultures and continents, captivating taste buds and promoting well-being for centuries. Its ability to combat nausea, soothe digestive distress, and quell inflammation makes it a true powerhouse of natural medicine. Whether you're seeking relief from motion sickness, aiming to improve digestion, or fighting inflammation, ginger offers a safe, effective, and readily available solution. Incorporate this versatile root into your culinary creations, explore its various forms, and experience the transformative benefits of this golden elixir. Your body will thank you for it, and remember to embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you.